Looking for a dining experience that is both exceptional and exciting? Isang lugar na hindi lang basta kainan kundi isang destination para sa tunay na Chinese dining experience. Mula nang magbukas sila, agad sila naging paborito ng mga food enthusiasts at pamilya na naghahanap ng mga authentic Chinese flavors. Dito ay nagsuserve sila ng very authentic Chinese taste na sigurado magugustuhan mo. Perfect ito for celebration mula sa family gathering hanggang sa special occasions. At dito nga lang yan sa Hyatt House located sa ground floor ng Ayala Malls, Manila Bay, Macapagal Boulevard, Parañaque, Manila. Open sila ng 11 a.m. to 2 a.m. If you are a fan of fresh seafoods and Chinese food, I'm sure you will love Hyatt House. They serve fresh lobster, king crab, and other seafood, all by reservation to ensure the highest quality. Aside from seafood, they also offer authentic Chinese dishes that are perfect for family and friends. Hindi lang ito para sa casual dining. Kung may family gathering,